I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious pie and a fun, harmless pie prank. We'll cover everything from the perfect crust to a delightful filling, and then add a playful twist. Get ready to bake a wonderful dessert and prepare a light-hearted surprise for your friends or family. It's a two-in-one adventure. First, let's master the foundation, a flaky pie crust. You'll combine 2 1/2 cups of flour with a pinch of salt, then cut in 1 cup of very cold butter until it resembles coarse crumbs. Slowly add about 1/2 cup of ice water until the dough just comes together. Remember to chill your dough for at least 30 minutes. This is key for a tender crust. Next, we'll create a mouth-watering filling. For an apple pie, you'll need about 6 cups of sliced apples. Toss them with 3/4 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of flour, and your favorite spices like cinnamon and nutmeg. A little lemon juice adds a bright note. Make sure everything is thoroughly mixed so every bite is bursting with flavor. Now assemble your pie. Place the filling into your prepared bottom crust, then top it with a second crust or a beautiful lattice. Bake your pie at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 to 60 minutes until golden brown. For the harmless prank, you could place a small, edible toy or a funny message written on a cookie on top of the pie after it cools, creating a fun surprise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.